guys, just received this bouquet of flowers from my hubby in the future. Hello mga kabesh and welcome back to our channel, and it's nice to see you again. Na-miss ko kayo. And for those who are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and pakihit na rin yung bell button para ma-notify kayo every time I upload new videos. Ayan. So, for today's vlog, ang gagawin po natin is mag-o-open tayo ng mga presents that I received last Mother's Day. Diba napakatagal na? So, wag na nating patagalin pa. Let's start. So, hello mga beshies. The first present that I received last Mother's Day is from the brand Love Moschino. Ayan. They already have their flagship store here in Cambodia. And I got this for 50% off. O, diba? Hindi na siya masama. Magandang deal na siya, diba? So, sorry, medyo maingay yung nasa taas. So, inside this dust bag is a... let's open it. This one, guys. Ta-da! Are you excited? There you are. Here it is. This is a backpack. Ayan. So, I will put it closer. Tatayo na lang ako. This one. So, meron siyang ganito. This one, the yellow one. And you have here the name Love Moschino. And you have this purple and pink, what do you call this one? Lock and key. Yeah, this one is the lock and there's the key inside. Okay? So, and then this one is the canvas. Then you can see the print here, Love Moschino, Love Moschino everywhere. And here, okay, they have here the name Love Moschino in gold hardware. Ayan. Nakikita ba siya? Ayan, kita naman siya, no? Ayan, this one, guys. And this one, the handle are leather. This one is leather. So, if you wanted to open it, ayan, gold hardware. And then, inside is red. Yung inner lining niya, red. And then, you also have here, Love Moschino tag here inside. So, I can remove this one to make it bigger. So, then I will just close it. Ayan. Guys, ayan siya. Backpack siya, ganyan. Yan yung side. And then, yung side niya, ito din. And the second item that I received, guys, is this one. So, hindi pa ako yung nagbayad nito. It's the present from my partner. Okay? So, ayan. So, buksan na natin. This is from Parfum Boutique. The original from USA. So, remove the pink ribbon. And then, we have here, dust bag again. So, move ko lang siya dyan. So, this is the dust bag. And then, ang ganda ng dust bag, guys. Oh, look. Ayan. Focus natin yung dust bag niya. And this is from the brand here. Longchamp. Ayan. So, what's inside this white dust bag? So, what I've got from Longchamp is, ta-da! This one. Here it is. This is the left pliage in large size. So, correct me if I'm wrong with my pronunciation. Like this. This is the handle. So, let's open it. Ganyan siya, guys. Tapos, ayan. So, ayan. So, this one is made of nylon. And this one is leather. Leather ito. Leather din yung handle niya. Okay? So, let's see. Okay. So, guys, ito siya, guys. Ganito siya kalaki. Pag binuksan mo yung gilid, ganyan siya kalaki. Kita nyo? It's really huge. This is good for traveling. And it's good also for my work. But for now, Hindi ko pa siya magagamit, diba? Pero I can still keep it. Hindi siya masisira agad. Ayan, this one is nylon. Okay. Ayan. So, inside, may pocket siya sa loob. Ito. There's a pocket. Okay. There you are. So, this one, it says here, made in France. Ayan siya, guys. Dito sa gilid. Made in France. Hindi ko muna tatanggalin yung plastic niya dapat dito sa handle. Okay, tingnan niyo yung handle niya. I-move ko na lang siya na ganito. Ayan. So, dark siya. Parang dark brown. So, pag sinuot ko siya, ganyan. Okay? Ganyan siya, guys. Let's go! Ayan. Ganito siya, dark blue. I like the color. Ayan. And this one too. So, this is from the brand Versace by Versace. So, let's see what's inside. So, it's here. So, we have here this black box. So, you can see here also the name Versace by Versace. And it's also it's also stated here Milano. Okay, so the same. And here it is. So let's see what's inside. Okay. Let's put it in here. Yan. So this is another watch, guys. Diba? I love collecting watches. So this one is the Versace Tortona. So this is how it looks. Here you are. Okay. So in the box, guys, you have the warranty card. So this one, and there's a number or code in here. Code. Then you have the sale date kung kailan mo siya binili. So it's the international warranty card. So I'll just put it in here. And then you also have the care card. Okay, or the info card here. See, you can also, guys, check the authenticity of your Versace watch online. So all you need to do is to sign into a website. Okay, then you can register, or you can check there if this is authentic or not. Okay, so let's see. So just remove this one. Actually, they already removed some of the chain. Ayan. Kasi my wrist is just tiny. Yes. Here, still in the plastic. Okay, so this one is a combination of gold and silver. There you are. So, nakikita na siya dyan. This one. And then, closer look. So guys, what's special about this watch? Okay, as you can see, you can only see two hands here. One for an hour and one for a minute. And for the second, there's none. You can see. Here it is. And then, it's a combination of gold and silver. Gold and silver. Tapos may line siya dyan, guys, oh, na effect. May line, may line, may line. Kaya ang ganda niyang tingnan. Tapos even yung side dito, oh. Okay. So, pag winner ko siya,
my channel members, Marino CMA TV, Pinay Mom in Pakistan, Shantaloft, and Zara D. Thank you for your support to my channel po. And that's it for today mga kabesh. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And I will see you again on my next one. Bye! God bless everyone!